How can beads help in adding and subtracting numbers? We will need thread and beads or pieces of drinking straws. Put 20 beads or pieces of straw on the string and tie the ends to form a necklace. The string should be long enough for learners to easily move the straws around. Now, solve addition and subtraction problems such as 14 minus 8, 12 plus 5, etc. by moving the beads along the string and counting how many they are. Numbers increase after addition and decrease after subtraction. To add is to put together, and to subtract is to take away. Try extension by trying out multiplication and division with multiple necklaces.